Lesson: Social impact of AI deployment. The deployment of artificial intelligence has profound social implications that span various dimensions, including ethical, economic, and cultural facets. As AI systems become more integrated into daily life and business operations, professionals in the field must understand and actively manage the social impacts these systems can have. This lesson focuses on providing actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications to address real-world challenges associated with the social impact of AI deployment. AI technologies can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data, leading to discrimination in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Understanding and mitigating these biases is a critical responsibility of AI professionals. For instance, the COMPAS algorithm, used in U.S. courts to predict the likelihood of a defendant reoffending, was found to exhibit racial bias, disproportionately labeling African American defendants as higher risk compared to white defendants. This case underscores the importance of using bias detection and mitigation tools, such as IBM's AI Fairness 360, which offers a comprehensive suite of metrics and algorithms to evaluate and mitigate bias in AI models. AI deployment also affects employment and the labor market, creating both opportunities and challenges. Automation and AI can lead to job displacement in industries reliant on routine tasks, while simultaneously generating new roles that require advanced digital skills. McKinsey & Company estimates that by 2030, up to 375 million workers may need to switch occupational categories due to automation. To navigate this shift, professionals can implement workforce development frameworks, such as the Skills Future Initiative in Singapore, which promotes lifelong learning and skills acquisition in technology-driven sectors. This initiative serves as a practical model for managing workforce transitions by emphasizing continuous education and skill enhancement. The ethical deployment of AI also requires transparent and accountable governance structures. Implementing AI ethics guidelines, such as the European Commission's Ethics Guidelines for Trustworthy AI, can help organizations ensure that their AI systems are lawful, ethical, and robust. These guidelines advocate for principles including human agency, technical robustness, privacy, and accountability. Organizations can operationalize these principles by using tools like the AI Ethics Impact Assessment Framework, which provides a structured approach to evaluating the ethical implications of AI projects at different stages of development. Public perception and trust in AI systems are crucial for their widespread acceptance and success. A Pew Research Center survey found that only 30% of Americans trust AI to make fair decisions in the criminal justice system. Building trust involves engaging with stakeholders transparently and addressing societal concerns through participatory design processes. This engagement can be facilitated by tools such as stakeholder mapping, which helps identify and prioritize the interests and concerns of different groups affected by AI deployment. By incorporating stakeholder input into the design and deployment phases, organizations can enhance transparency and build systems that better reflect societal values and norms. AI deployment also raises significant privacy concerns, particularly in sectors like healthcare and finance, where sensitive personal data is often processed. Ensuring data privacy requires adherence to regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, which sets stringent standards for data protection and user consent. Compliance tools like OneTrust provide organizations with a comprehensive platform to manage privacy, security, and third-party risk, ensuring that AI systems respect user privacy and data protection rights. In addition to ethical and privacy considerations, AI systems can impact social equity and access to resources. AI has the potential to exacerbate existing inequalities if not deployed with an inclusive approach. For example, AI systems that rely on high-speed internet and advanced technology can disadvantage underserved communities with limited access to digital infrastructure. Addressing these disparities involves leveraging frameworks like the Digital Equity Act, which aims to promote equitable access to technology and digital literacy programs. By implementing inclusive design principles and ensuring accessibility, AI professionals can help bridge the digital divide and promote equitable benefits from AI innovations. The social impact of AI deployment extends to cultural dimensions, influencing how societies interact, communicate, and perceive reality. AI technologies, such as deepfakes, pose challenges to authenticity and trust in digital media. Deepfake detection tools, like those developed by the Deepfake Detection Challenge, provide practical solutions for identifying and mitigating the spread of manipulated content. By adopting these tools and promoting digital literacy, professionals can help safeguard cultural integrity and prevent the erosion of trust in media. Lastly, the global nature of AI deployment necessitates cross-cultural collaboration and understanding. AI systems developed in one cultural context may not align with values and norms in another. To address this, professionals can utilize frameworks like the Global AI Ethics Consortium, which fosters international dialogue and collaboration on AI ethics. By participating in global discussions and adopting culturally sensitive approaches, AI professionals can ensure that AI systems are respectful and beneficial across diverse cultural landscapes. In conclusion, the social impact of AI deployment encompasses a range of ethical, economic, and cultural considerations that require careful management and actionable strategies. By employing practical tools and frameworks, such as bias detection algorithms, workforce development initiatives, ethical governance structures, and privacy compliance platforms, AI professionals can navigate these challenges effectively. Engaging with stakeholders, promoting digital equity, and fostering cross-cultural collaboration are essential steps in ensuring that AI technologies contribute positively to society. As AI continues to evolve, ongoing education and adaptation will be crucial for professionals to address the dynamic social implications of AI deployment successfully.